How to fix camera shutter lag in Moto G17 power. First of all, restart device. Swipe down, open quick setting panel, click on power off icon and click on restart. After click on restart, restart your device. Now go back. After that, clear cam cache. Open setting, scroll down, click on apps. Now here you will see app, search camera app. Now click on camera, scroll down, click on storage and cache and click on clear cache. After click on clear cache, camera will be clear cache from your phone. Now go back. After that, software update, open setting, scroll down, click on system update, click on check for update and click on update. After click on update, your phone software will be updated from your phone. Now go back. After that, factory reset, open setting, scroll down, click on system, scroll down, click on reset option, click on erase all data, factory reset and click on erase all data. After click on erase all data, music, photo, video will be erased or delete from your phone. This is how you can fix camera shutter lag in Moto G17 power. I hope so you like this video and thanks for watching this video.